Do you also want to win the contest of a debate? If so, then this video can be useful for you. Actually, a research has revealed that winning a debate is also a technique with skill and cleverness. In this research, it has been reported that humans are logical creatures. Therefore, logic is an important part of their life. Wrong logic can give you a lot of stress, and a good debate can make you feel confident. After all, let's know what are the tips to win a debate. Legal professionals from Queensland and Victoria have said how one can stay on the peak during a debate. Regarding this, Amy Honan, a legal expert of the Michael Lynch family in Brisbane, told Honey that what kind of problems really arises during an argument. Experts claim that before joining the debate, you need to prepare a strategy or plan. This team has tried to explain the points that how you can express your point of view during the debate. What should be your posture, what are the things you should take care during the debate, etc, etc. But before that guys, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon next to it to get the notifications. Number 1. What is your challenge during a debate? During a debate, it is a challenge that you keep your mental balance. Honan says that being personal during the debate, we go diverted from the original matter. In such a way, we can make a false argument. In such a situation, it is important to maintain peace and stay with the facts. She said that when people become very personal, people often make wrong arguments. They lose perspective on how they try to say. In this case, she gives an example of a lawyer who presents his reasoning successfully without being emotional during the debate in a court. Number 2. Best tips to win in a debate. First, time. Time plays the main role in a debate. To get involved in this, it is also important to know what will be the right time. Generally, in a debate, as compared to the first person, the arguments of the later person are strong. In such a way, the main person involved in this has more opportunities to swing. Actually, the main person is the first person in a debate. Second, vocabulary. The selection of your words is also important during a debate. You select words that are slightly different from the words used in the post. As if discussing climate change, if you describe it with the word global warming in the answer, your words will be more effective in front of the main person's vocabulary. Third, aggressive words versus soft words. Research has shown that the use of mild or soft language is effective. It is more effective than aggressive words. For example, the word mild indicates soft sound, while aggressive words point to harshness. Fourth, length of the answer. In a debate, long answers are more effective than short or brief answers. Long answers are more motivational. Fifth, proof or evidence. In a debate, the use of arguments, facts, and examples in support of your view make it more effective. This gives firmness to your views. Quotations also serve a small role in supporting your thoughts. Sixth, me and we. The word I used in a debate shows the perseverance and open mind of a person, whereas the use of words we and ours shows that they are more stubborn. The stubborn people use the emotional word, but there is no sense in it. Number 3. Self-confidence. Research has shown that during an argument, eye contact can provoke you. This can lead to hostile situations that are stressful. Honan claims that to cope with this situation, you have to maintain calm, steady, and self-confidence in a planned way. This trick gives you the strength to stand for a long duration in a debate. Number 4. Explicit and concise writing. Some people believe that they can keep their thoughts in a better way in verbal form. At the same time, some people are able to keep their thoughts better in writing rather than in oral. Putting your emotions on paper can make your point of view clear and more consistent. Undoubtedly, that should be explicit and concise. The selection of words is important while writing. In a study during an online discussion, it has been clarified that soft words have been more effective than aggressive words. So that's it for today. See you again next Saturday at 7 p.m. in the evening. Till then, think positive, do positive, and go ahead. Thank you.